BinMaster, the easiest way from point A to point B. BinMaster's wireless products give you a simple, straightforward way to get an analog, discrete, or Modbus signal from where you have it to where you need it. There's no need to run hundreds of feet of wires throughout your industrial plant. You'll save on time, manpower, and cost by simply connecting up your transmitters and control room to a BinMaster wireless unit. With a range of 1 mile line of sight outdoor and 500 feet indoor, it's never been easier to get your critical process data from where you have it to where you need it. Whether you're retransmitting process signals from a large tank to a more convenient location, or from multiple tanks to a control room, BinMaster wireless units can deliver your data to where you need it most. The WR30 is a simple point-to-point wireless bridge that includes a primary unit and secondary unit, each with analog, digital, and RS-485 Modbus inputs and outputs. The units feature a NEMA 4X IP68 cast aluminum enclosure with flanges for wall or pipe mounting, a remote or attached antenna, and a range of 1 mile line of sight outdoor, 500 feet indoor. This makes the WR30 ideal for wire replacement in rugged industrial areas. Easily program the WR30 using the buttons behind the enclosure cover, or use the free WR Manager USB programming software. The WR90 base station is the starting piece to a customizable point-to-multipoint wireless system and offers a highly flexible means of getting process signals from where you have them to where you need them. The base station features a rugged plastic NEMA 4X field enclosure, RS-485 Modbus standard, and is easily field or wall mountable. Customize it any way you want it by installing up to 16 modular input-output cards and up to 32 expandable field units. Modules include dual analog input, dual analog output, digital input-output, and dual relays. The WR90 field units feature a rugged NEMA 4X cast aluminum enclosure, remote or attached antenna, analog input-output, 4 digital input-output, and RS-485 Modbus communications. The field units transmit analog, digital, and Modbus inputs from any location in the field to the WR90 base station. All you need to do is set the network ID and Modbus address, and the device will transmit the signal connections wirelessly. Increase your signal strength with wireless repeaters. The WR30RP wireless repeaters are incredibly simple to install and make a great accessory for the WR30 and WR90 if you're having connectivity issues or want to broadcast over long distances and around permanent obstacles. Go wireless with BinMaster and see how easy it is to get your critical process data from where you have it to where you need it.